How to fix if your Twitter application like does not showing on your Twitter app. So firstly, I will just let you know that how we can solve this issue, and I will open my Twitter application present on my PC right now. If you're using on mobile phone, the same steps will be also followed on that. So open the Twitter here in front of you. As you can see, this is logging into my account X, and you cannot see any like on your account, or if just it's just lagging for you, you cannot load the profile, or you cannot load it very better in front of you. How you can solve it? These type of error usually occurs due to the network connection your PC is connected with, and you can see the like button is now working right now. But if you cannot see it, if it's not working on your PC, then you should simply restart your PC. Check the Wi-Fi connection if your PC is connected with a good and fast network connection. Then second thing you have to do is click on the airplane mode of your PC and then refresh it. The last option is you have to restart your PC, and after that you won't face any error like this. Thank you so much for watching the video.